Imik ng carrots flower, ha? How to make carrots flower, guys. Like this, ha? You see my video and how to make flowers. Wow, remove, guys, ha? Other side, remove. You see, guys, ha? Very easy. You see and learn how to make. You see, guys, ha? Mega love shoutout. Thank you for watching in my video, guys, ha? Don't forget subscribe and like and share my video. You see, now start one layer, guys, ha? Start one layer, guys. Now you see one layer coming now, one layer, guys, ha? Starting one layer. You see, guys, thank you for watching from Chef Eric channel. You see, guys, ha? Very easy. Now I remove again, ha? Yes, you see, guys, remove. Wow, you see, guys, ha? Guys, you see, ha? Now coming flower, ha? You see, starting now. Remove again. Coming to two layers of making flowers. And guys, now two layer coming, ha? You see, easy, but you'll make listening and watching good. You see, guys, ha? Wow, you see how to make flowers, carrots flowers, guys. Thank you for watching, guys, in my video. Don't forget like and share my video. Chef Eric Malya from Saudi Arabia, guys, ha? I working in chef here. This arts is from make to salad, decoration and pasta. I use it here. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget share and like in my video. You see, guys, how to make. You see, guys, how to make flower carrots. Now coming three layers, guys, you see, really easy. You see and learn how to cutting and designing. Thank you for watching, guys, in my video. Don't forget share and like, share.